everyone, today's video is going to be a Sephora Play unboxing, and I haven't done one of these in a long time. I had Sephora Play when it first came out. I decided I didn't need it anymore, and then in a moment of weakness, I subscribed again, and I've unsubscribed again. Not because this box is terrible, that's not what I'm trying to say, it's just I don't need it, and I'm trying really, really hard to be smart about things. John's still looking for his, final job. As a grad student, I don't make that much money, obviously. And, I'm trying really hard to put things in perspective and think about, okay, this is what we actually need versus this is just some things I really would like to have. I'm not perfect. I've recently bought some things that I but I didn't need. And so I'm really needed to be good about it. And we actually, in church today, we were just talking about that. John didn't like it, but I did. I thought it was something I needed to hear. So, anyway, this is my Sephora Play that I had for 1 month. This is for September of 2018. It came in this little bag. It's like one of those reusable plasticky bags. It's fine. I don't know exactly what I don't feel like I'm going to have a lot of use out of this, but it's there. So, I got 6 items. I'm just going to, theme was Next Generation Beauty. Yeah, I guess that's what these were supposed to be. So I have the Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. So I've actually been using one of these. I got one of these as like a point perk, or not point perk. I think it was like a coupon code when I made an order. So I actually have been using one that I'm almost out. I don't love it. It's a gel moisturizer, and it is relatively moisturizing. However, it sometimes will peel up on my skin. You know, when you are rubbing something in and all of a sudden just peels and it feels gross. This does that. I don't think it's anything else because that's the only new thing I'm using. So I don't love it, but it is relatively moisturizing, and I'll get use out of this little mini because I maybe have one more day out of it. And I would say that it lasted me 2.5 or so weeks. So that's not bad. Next I have, and I haven't tried this. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. I really like Peter Thomas Roth. I think it's a really good skincare brand. I haven't had any issues with it, so I'm intrigued to try this and play with it. I have not yet, though. Today, if you like my lipstick and my blush, though, it's not super super dark on my cheeks. I have on the Nudestix, Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Kiss. So like I said, I have it on my cheeks. I don't feel like it's super opaque. I don't love a lip and a cheek. I feel like I'd probably just use it on my lips. I have it on today. I like the color. I think it's a really pretty color, but it is pretty drying. I have only had it on for 2 minutes, not very long. It does transfer some, so I wouldn't say it's super transfer proof. It's fine. I like it. I like the color, like I said, but I don't know that it's my favorite thing ever. I got a Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I am excited to have this. My skin has been super, super dry. I live in Ohio now, if you didn't know. I moved there at the beginning of August, so I've lived here for almost 2 months, and it's made my skin really dry, even though it hasn't been that hot here. It hasn't been that cold yet. It's getting cold. The high today is 70. And then we've got 2 days of in the 70s, and the rest is all in the 60s, which John and I are really excited about. Yesterday, I think the high was 65, and we went to the zoo, and it was beautiful, and I love that kind of weather. Now, come November, December, when it's snowing, we'll see how it feels. But a hydrating primer is definitely good. I've tried this before, and I do like it a lot, so I'm glad to have that. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Skin Tint in number 6. So I did use this today. I feel like my skin looks pretty decent. Number 6 is a little bit orange for me. It's a little too dark and a little too yellow. I have a neutral to cool undertone. I don't know what color I should have gotten, but I got 6. And I feel like the coverage was a sheer. It says it's a skin tint. I feel like that's accurate. Maybe a light coverage. So it's fine. I like kind of things like that. It feels good on my skin. I feel like even up really close, if I take a mirror, if I could pick a mirror up and look really close, I feel like my skin still looks like skin, which is what I like. I like my skin to be very skin-like, so I don't hate it. I like that, fine. And last but not least, I got a Chloe perfume sample, Chloe Nomade. It's a fresh perfume. It's kind of fruity. I hate florals, and this is not floral. A lot of Chloe ones are to me. So this is a more light, fresh scent, and I like it. It's more springtime, and we're getting into the fall and winter. Yesterday was the first day of fall, so I don't know about that, but it smells good. So yeah, I feel like I went through that really, really quickly. I am excited by some of these items, but not like overjoyed by anything. I didn't get anything that I was like, oh, wow. And that's okay, you know. Sometimes that happens with makeup boxes, but again, I just have decided I don't feel like I need a subscription service, even though I want it. And it does come with a little, here it is, the card, and you get 50 bonus points. And that was one of the reasons why I kind of like justified having it, because I love the points at Sephora. So I was like, oh, well, if it's 50 bonus points, then it's worth having. I am going to use this card because John has, I've said many times, he has dry scalp. And I told him about the scalp exfoliator, and he really wants to try that by Christophe Robin. And I've heard really good things about it. So I'm going to buy that with this, and I have a gift card. So I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but I'll buy that. And that might be my last Sephora purchase for a while, because I have a lot of makeup. And I'm trying really hard to be good about it. I need to realize that I have way more than most people in many aspects of my life, not just makeup. You know, I'm very blessed. Sorry, I was looking at Kanga. I'm very blessed and lucky, and I need to remember that. And sometimes it's easy to forget it, but I'm trying to remember and trying to be good. So as always, I hope you had a really good day. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, comments, go ahead and leave those down below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.